Data is integral to the advancement of patient safety. Yet all too often, key safety-related data is buried in unstructured data. Without the right tools, monitoring unstructured data for safety concerns is time-consuming, error-prone, and expensive. The IQVIA Vigilance Detect self-managed solution redefines how pharmaceutical and medtech teams identify and route safety events and product complaints with a flexible, cost-effective solution that seamlessly operates within every ecosystem. License our proven GXP-compliant workflow, supported by artificial intelligence, to easily analyze data from multiple channels and rapidly detect potential adverse events, product complaints, off-label use, and other potential risks. Minimize costly manual and redundant reviews with a workflow that offers automated analysis and delivers industry-standard outputs for auto-ingestion by your downstream safety intake or complaint systems. Easy to set up and deploy, the solution features a scalable architecture and optional managed services to adapt to the evolving needs of your patient, commercial, and safety teams. Proven performance, audit-ready, and interoperable. Transform the way you find adverse events and product complaints in unstructured data with the IQVIA Vigilance Detect self-managed solution. To learn more, contact us today.